If you're looking for a smart, stylish, and easy way to plan your entire year, this planning calendar template is exactly what you need. It's fully editable, color-coded, and designed to help you organize your tasks, holidays, and personal milestones in one clear, scroll-free view. Whether you're a student, project manager, freelancer, or someone who just loves to keep things neat, this template gives you a full year at a glance and keeps everything important right where you can see it. Let's take a closer look at what's inside and how it works. The file includes 3 pre-built sheets, a setup sheet where you can customize your drop-down menus, and 2 yearly calendar sheets, one for 2025 and one for 2026. Everything is already formatted and ready to use. Just open the file and start planning right away. The setup sheet is where you define your planning language and personal style. It includes 2 fully editable lists, priority and status. These values power the drop-down menus in your task planner. Want to replace high with urgent or completed with done? You can, and every update will apply across all sheets instantly. This flexibility makes the planner adapt to you, not the other way around. Now let's explore the 2025 sheet. The 2026 sheet works exactly the same way. On the right, you'll see a clean 12-month calendar view from January to December, with weeks running Sunday to Saturday. You don't need to adjust anything manually. The calendar reacts automatically to what you enter in the planner on the left. On the left, you'll find a built-in task planner with the following columns: task, priority, due date, status, notes, and a checkbox to mark completion. Here's how the magic happens. When you add a task and set a due date, the calendar highlights that day in light green. Once you check it off, the color turns dark green, giving you a quick visual cue of what's done and what's still pending. For example, we already have a task scheduled for January 12th in the task planner on the left. That date is currently marked in light green on the calendar to the right. Now, let's tick the checkbox, and as you'll see, the calendar instantly updates, turning January 12th to dark green, meaning the task is complete. You can use this section for personal goals, work projects, school deadlines, or even home organization. It's up to you. To the left of the calendar, you'll find 2 additional blocks. National holidays are pre-filled with U.S. dates like New Year's Day and Independence Day. These dates are shown in red on the calendar. Don't live in the USA? You can easily replace them with your own country's holidays. The personal dates section is already filled with example events such as birthdays and anniversaries. You can change or expand this list as needed. These dates appear in yellow on the calendar. Both sections are fully editable, so you can personalize your calendar without limitations. You can plan smarter, stay on track, and stop switching between apps just to remember what's coming up. This template works in Google Sheets and Excel. No installation needed. It's 100% free to use. Just copy the file or download it and start planning. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link, grab your copy, and make this year the most organized one yet.